think most of us as kids dreamed of having superpowers. Flying, lifting cars like Superman, becoming something more than human. And to me, riding a motorcycle comes close. It's not magic. But it feels like it. The mountains around Squamish have always captivated me. I can never stop looking at them. They are the main reason I came to Canada. A place that always felt like home. Riding an adventure motorcycle through Squamish is like nothing else. It is beauty. It is power. And a reminder that we can create our own superpowers by doing what we love and following it all the way.